And today, special thanks to our friends at iLC who were nice enough to send us this 4-pack of bulbs. Now these LED bulbs are RGB light and they only use 5 watts, which are the equivalent of 40 watts. They have a dimming function, and as you can see, they include a remote control where you can easily change the colors. So you can see here on the side, a little bit of the product information, same picture here that's there. And this side just mentions that it's a 2-in-1 light. So you got the RGB and the normal light function. Now these are 450 lumens, and based on being used 3 hours a day, they would last 22.8 years with 12 color choices and are only 5 watts. So you can see they have a few different options: RGB plus cold white. I got the RGB plus warm light, and then there's different bases as well. And other than the ILC logo, that is your little sticker. So let's open this on up, and we have a nice little instruction guide, and then looks like there's 2 remotes. So 2 remotes, okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 tiny little bulbs. So these are very, very light, nice plastic. Got the ILC logo there. And of course, as I normally do with a lot of my bulbs, I'm gonna go in my hallway bathroom. We will put these in the light fixture, and we'll try them on, power them on, go through the different colors and see exactly how bright they are and how they look. So there is the essential brightness of the 3 light bulbs. Now, since I'm using 3, I have both remotes here. So we're going to take this one and see which one turns green. Oh, they all turn green. Okay, I thought it was only, the way it seemed was like each one would control 2. So there's your red, your blue. That's one of the whites, one of the other whites. So that is all the way brightness. And there's 2 levels. So that's lowest, medium, highest brightness. And then you can set it for a 1-hour timer. Not entirely certain what that button does, but that is essentially all of the colors here that you can see. Very nice colors, very nice brightness. The green is definitely my favorite. It looks more green down here than it really does in the camera here. Blue looks pretty good too. So that's essentially what these look like. The remote's able to easily control all 3 lights that are plugged in. And that should do it for this video. Thanks again to iLC, who was nice enough to send these bulbs to me to show you how they work. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.